Ray-Ban Meta, the Wayfarer, unboxing right now. Open this up. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I've been waiting for these. These are smart glasses and they look very nice too. Ooh, open it up right here. Listen, call, live stream. Oh yeah. Open it up and you got, oh wow, this is awesome. This right here is the case for it. Ooh, we got the USB-C charging here. Nice case. Even the box is very nice too. Sweet. Okay, and you got your Meta app view right here. What's this in here? This is like the instructions or something. Let me pull this out. Ooh, you got the Ray-Ban cloth here. And over here, it looks like maybe the instruction manuals. Yep, slide this out right here. And you should be able to grab it. Yeah, get started guide. And you also got something here too. This is like full of stuff in here. Wow, that's a booklet, safety and warranty. Okay, cool, perfect. Well, let's look at the glasses. That's what we came here for, right? Open this up. Ooh, look at that light right there. Okay. Ray-Ban Meta, nice case inside, nice suede-like material. Open this up, pull right here. Ooh, I guess that deactivates activates the battery. But ooh, something's going. Oh, okay. So that definitely activated the whole system. So now the Ray-Ban Metas are activated. All right, let me take them out. Let me see if these fit me because I got these without trying them on first because I think they are perfect just by looking at the specs and knowing what these can do. And plus, these are Ray-Bans. Nice. Open this up right here, open this up right here, and you see the Ray-Ban logo right there, looking good. You got your camera right here, and on this other side, you have, well, one side is a camera, one side is a sensor, I believe. You got some electronics inside, including a battery and some chips, but let me put it on right here. Sweet, okay. Close it. Well, I haven't figured out how to use it yet, but apparently these can live stream, take pictures and video. So they're awesome and you can just sync that data to your phone. It's very nice and it looks just like normal sunglasses. You can never know that these are smart glasses. Oh, there's a button right here for activation. Maybe that's what I need to do. Press this. Nope, double tap. Well, I gotta figure out how to work these things because I'm not smart, but these are smart glasses, the Ray-Ban Metas, and it comes in a nice carrying case and everything right here. Oh yeah.